Hi everybody, this is Lauren of planmoshplan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This is the Scribble Prints Co. January mystery kit, which was birthday themed because this was the week of my 26th birthday. It's really cute. I thought it was like a really great idea to have your mystery kit for January be a birthday kit, just so like everybody has it for the whole year. I'm not subscribed to her mystery kit, but I end up buying a lot of them. Just because I end up liking a lot of them. Also, I just woke up, and I was like, oh shoot, I want to record, I have a lot of stuff planned for today, and I was like, I want to record the voiceover for this before, like, I even get out of bed and do anything. I just want to do it, so sorry if I sound sleepy or I haven't had coffee yet, so if I'm slow, that also might be the case. But yeah, I've like been on a kick with the Plan With Me's. I'm really trying hard to get caught up. I'm only a couple weeks behind now, so hopefully in another week or two I'll be all caught up. We shall see. Although I do go to Hawaii a week from today actually, so I feel like I'm gonna get behind because I won't be planning there. I don't know, I'm trying. So as you can see, I decided to use, the bottom washi was a lot. It was like patterned presents, which is cute, but I like a little bit more simple washi generally, so I chose to use the pink with champagne gold bow washi from Simply Gilded, and then I cut the washi from the kit in half and just layered it like this, and I think it turned out really cute. I went like kind of foil crazy this week because I just felt like gold foil for your birthday is like how you should do life. The flags that I put in the corners are from, I believe, the Ethel colorway from Clever Gal Crafts. I really wanted to use a pink bow, but I couldn't find like a perfect pink that matched like the kit exactly, the pinks in the kit exactly from Clever Gal Crafts. All the Clever Gal Crafts ones are like too like peachy or too muted, I think. I'm not exactly sure, but so I ended up not really using oh, you know what? I actually think that the pink from Poolside, I think, matched, but I don't have the flags from Poolside, so I ended up using the nude, which is still cute. These date dots that I'm using are really big, and I like them for the Scribble Prints Co. The old way she did her date covers, that like just big strip across the top. The Arctic, did I say they're from Arctic Paper? Ooh, is it Studio? I think it's Studio. They're really massive, and I hardly find a good way to use them, but I do like them with those the old style, the Scribble Print Co. date covers. I used the deco in the upper left-hand corner, which I love doing. It especially works out great if you have deco that's a lot of different sizes in a kit. I think it works really well. And then I used this happy birthday script in gold foil from Paper Blush Bar. And I think that this corner turned out super cute. Like, I really like how it turned out. I just think it looks very festive and fun. And I just like it. I'll zoom in, yeah, because I'm like, oh, that's cute. Look at it. Okay, and then onto this sidebar. I really wanted to do a this week script in gold foil, but I didn't have enough washi that was the right size, so I just did like a pretty standard Scribble Prints Co. Like, what is it, just sidebar, just 2 weekly stickers. I was tracking, making sure that I was wearing my retainers this week and whitening my teeth because those are, again, I go to, I don't know if I've talked about this yet, I'm so sorry, again, I haven't had my coffee yet, and I'm like, I probably should just wait and do this, but oh well. I go to Stagecoach every year for it lands around my birthday with two of my best friends, so I like to have my teeth whitened because, let me tell you, my best friends, they have like the whitest, straightest teeth, I swear to you. But also I just want like my teeth to look good. Anyways, I cut down, I was going to use 2 of the 3 heart checklists because her heart checklists have 5 hearts, which is perfect for, I work 5 days a week, but it didn't fit, so I cut down her weekly tracker, and then I put washi at the bottom, and I actually am thinking now I might switch that out for like a foiled Simply Gilded washi that I have that I actually used last week, or the last week that I planned before this, that looked really cute, but I don't know. And then of course I just took the To Do and Work foiled headers from Rose Color Days and gold foil for the sidebar. And then right now I'm just spacing out all of my full boxes as normal. Her kits come with 9 full boxes, so you'll have an extra. But since I do deco in the, well, I chose to do deco in the upper left-hand corner. I got to be really picky with my boxes, which I liked. There's like one of the boxes has a golden retriever, which again, I love dogs in real life. I'm like the biggest dog person in the world, but not in my planner, so I didn't use that one. And then I was going back and forth about whether I wanted to use, I actually switched this one because I wanted the Happy Birthday Babe box on my actual birthday, which is the 26th, Thursday. But anyways, I was going back and forth between the cake box. There's one, like a full box that had a cake on it, that was cute, and then a full box that had the shoes that I just grabbed. I actually liked the cake box better, I think, except for it had like more of the like darker brown color, so I chose the shoes instead because I was like, just want it to be lighter spread, and tried to use more of the pinks and the neutrals than the peach and the darker colors, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I just put the gold glitter headers over all the boxes, the pink glitter headers under the boxes, and then the nude colored glitter headers on the rest of the boxes. And yeah, and that was that. I actually prefer, she changed her glitter. I used to love Scribble Prints Co glitter, and the glitter headers for the glitter, like the texture of it, but she changed it recently, and I actually like way prefer her new glitter header texture. It looks a lot more realistic in my opinion, so I'm excited to get kits. Well, I actually have a couple kits with that new glitter. Yeah, and that's all. So I think I'm about to go into the daily plans. Yeah. So as always, I'm going to mark that my time card was due. First thing first, on Monday, I took the marble flag from the kit that's meant to go over the page flags in the corner, and then I layered it with a gold foiled sticker from White Deer Stationery that's like a little money sign. And then I also am going to mark the last day of the VIP Rouge sale. I think I ordered more, which again is for Sephora. I mentioned that in my last plan with me, but I think I ordered more stuff on either maybe Sunday night or Monday. Just I wanted to like, sometimes I don't know, I'll like get all my stuff and I'll be like, I need more. So I end up ordering more stuff. Okay, I put a to-do list. I had a lot of things that I just needed to like book and take care of this week. I just had a lot, like I was super busy this week before I left for the music festival, and I just needed to like organize all the stuff that I needed to like book and figure out before I actually did any of it. So that was the to-do list. And then that shoe is one of my favorite workout shoes. It's from GP Sticker Studio, and I used it over a quarter box to mark that I had my spin class that night. And then I'm marking my meetings. I only had really 2 days of meetings this week, so I marked them the way that I often do. I took this kind of nude peachy pink paperclip, gold foiled paperclip from My Newest Addiction, and then the meeting script again is from Rose Colored Days, and those gold foiled asterisks are from Simply Watercolor Co. And I'm just writing all of the meetings that I had that day in right there. And then this night Steven, my boyfriend, he went to like a Giants game, so I was kind of like on my own all night, which was really nice. So I took this like foiled script kind of deco sticker from the My Newest Addiction sampler with the Planner Sophisticate to mark that I planned that night. And I also put a Don't Kill My Vibes sticker from that same sampler just to mark my like little lazy night at home by myself, and also a heart from Clever Gal Crafts, and I believe that I think it's from the Poolside colorway. And then I'm just marking I'm just using some Simply Gilded washi tape in there also just for decoration. A little foil shot. I'm marking a birthday. One of my best friends since I was a kid, her birthday is the day before mine. So I used a little label from the kit and a like deco present from the kit to mark her birthday. And then I also worked from home on this day. So I took a paper clip from Hello Petite Paper to mark that. I actually I like worked the first half of the day from my apartment, and then I drove during lunch to my parents' house. Well, I actually drove and I got a pedicure and then I went to my parents' house for the second half of the day just because I had so much to do back where they live. But what I'm doing right now is grabbing a remember sticker from Simply Watercolor Co. and that plane is from Paper Panda, and I'm writing that I had to check into my flight the day before Southwest. Kind of a pain. That's the one thing I don't like about, well, one of the things I don't like about Southwest is you have to like check in right exactly at the time, like 24 hours beforehand, so you get a decent seat. And then again, I'm marking the meeting that I had in the morning the same way that I did all the meetings the day before. I'm also marking that I got a mani-pedi. I had an appointment at noon. So that nail polish sticker is from the Fox and Pip. It's super cute. Just kind of a cute nude color. And then I also had a spray tan appointment after work to go get sprayed before my festival. And then there was also a ton of other stuff. Like I did that night, I got a new phone and I went to the mall to go get it all like set up, and I went shopping to buy some like last minute stuff, and I had dinner at my parents' house. Like I did so many things this day that I'm like, I don't have room to mark any of this in my planner. But I remember I was so busy, and I don't think I got home till like 11 o'clock that night because I was just like, I had so much to do because I left on Thursday. And Thursday was my birthday. So I'm grabbing this, I'm not going to say it, but I'm just going to say it's my birthday sticker from the My Newest Addiction and Planner Sophisticate sampler, and I'm layering it with the balloons, and I think that's super cute. And then I'm grabbing a suitcase from, again, Paper Panda. She has these great, like, traveling samplers to mark that I woke up early on my birthday to pack. I did not, because I got home so late the night before, I just did not have time to do it the night before or the day before. And then I'm marking my flight with a half box and then a today script from Arctic Paper Studio or Arctic Paper Company, I don't know, sorry. And then the same plane from Paper Panda. I actually flew down to San Diego to meet up. One of my best friends lives there. So she picked me up from the airport, and also like some other girls from her sorority, some of her friends. And we drove from San Diego to like Indio, Coachella Valley together. We dropped them off. I think they were like in Palm Springs or something. They stayed at a separate house than us. We stayed at our other friend's grandfather's house, but we all drove just from San Diego together. It was much cheaper for me to fly into San Diego and get picked up than it is to fly to Palm Springs. Palm Springs Airport is tiny. And they also don't fly out of Oakland, which is like such a problem for me. But yeah, so I'm also marking that we stopped and had dinner at one of her friends' houses, which was really sweet. It was on the way. Her mom made us like this whole taco spread and margaritas, and it was so nice. And that, you can't tell, but that's a foiled house also from White Deer Stationery. I marked that it was my payday using the little flag from the sampler. She doesn't have those anymore. I wish she did. And then the gold foiled icon, again, from White Deer Stationery. And I also took the day off because the festival started on Friday. So the day off script is from the Planner Sophisticate and My Newest Addiction sampler. And I took the same My Newest Addiction bow that I had marked all my meetings with, just for like a little bit of like consistency throughout. And then that munchkin from the kit was just to mark that one of the projects that I work on was completed. So that was really nice. Always a good feeling. And then this day, we always like lie by the pool every day before we go to the festival. My friend's grandfather's house has like this great pool that's right on the golf course. So we spend the first half of the day just like lounging by the pool, and then the second half, did I cut that out? Oh no, I realized. I forgot that I wanted to, sorry, I'm skipping around a little bit. I forgot that I wanted to mark like the whole stretch of the time that I was at Stagecoach. So I ended up having to layer this washi over the full box, but I like made a flag and marked the whole thing that way. And then I took the page flag from the kit to mark Stagecoach. And then I took the weekend banner and I layered it over, and a little piece of deco just to be cute. I don't know. That's my little like Stagecoach weekend banner. But anyways, what I was saying was we lie by the pool every day before we go to the festival for like the second half of the day and the night. So I marked with the present pool day that day because my friends were just so sweet and gave me presents, and that was like my little birthday thing that I just celebrated that way that day. So that was really nice. So I marked it with a present is what I'm trying to say. And then every day I marked the headliner at the concert with the like sequined patterned half box from the kit, and a just neutral colored bow from Clever Gal Crafts. So Florida Georgia Line was the headliner on Friday. And then I'm marking pool day again with a pair of sunglasses. I think whoever that shop is no longer open. I'm pulling up my Stagecoach app to see that if I can find the lineup so I can talk about who I liked this year. Keith Urban was on Saturday night. I'm not a big Keith Urban fan, I'm going to be totally honest. Who was good? Let's see. Chris Lane was good. Jake Owen was really good. Those were both on Friday. Who was good on Saturday? Brothers Osborne was my favorite on Saturday. Also, I marked in my planner with the Arctic Paper Co. script, the Lazy Day couch sticker from 2Piece Sticker Studio, and an icon from White Deer Stationery that my poor boyfriend, IKEA gave us a delivery window of 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. for a couch delivery on Saturday. So, my poor boyfriend had to deal with that. And then Sunday was Garth Brooks. He was literally life-changing. He was so good. Trisha Yearwood came out and performed with him. She was amazing too, but that was like so much fun. Kane Brown was amazing. Brett Young was okay. Lee Bryce was super good. Those were all on Sunday at Stagecoach. And then that morning we like did a little bit of a grocery run, so I marked that with an icon from White Deer Stationery. And I just slept in on Sunday. I was exhausted by this point. So both of those sleep-in stickers and the eye mask are from My Newest Addiction. And the Today script is from a Rose-Colored Days and Planner Sophisticate sampler. And I just thought that looked really cute. So that is the whole week. It's super foiled, super fun. I love how it turned out. I think that it's just like so festive and birthday-y, and I love it. And it was a really great week, even though it was super busy. The second half of the week totally made up for it, and I had such a great time. And I just love getting to go through and like back plan and just like talk about all my memories and put them down onto paper in one place. It's such a fun thing to do. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you missed any of the shops, you can always find them on my Instagram. I tag everybody, planmoshplan. Go ahead and follow me there if you are so inclined. And yeah, if you like to leave a comment or like this video, I always appreciate that too. I love hearing from you guys so much. It's my favorite part, I think, of doing the videos is like the comments for sure. So yeah, that's it. Thanks everybody. I appreciate your time. Have a great week. Bye.